Does your violin sound like this? Don't worry, this is the most common beginner problem and you can fix it in minutes. I teach beginner violin step by step and almost everyone starts here. A scratchy sound usually comes from three things. The first one, too much pressure of the bow on the string. The second one, the wrong bow angle. And the third one, the wrong place of the bow between the bridge and the fingerboard. And I will talk you through each of these so you can practice them with me. So the first one, you want to lighten your bow pressure. Listen to what happens if I press too much first and then I'm gradually lightening the pressure with which I push the bow into the strings. You see, I'm just not pressing as hard with the bow onto the strings, and that immediately clears up my sound. Well, before we go on to our second point, keeping the bow straight, if you have learned something today, do hit that subscribe button and like this video. So the second thing that you can fix straight away is to try to keep your bow straight. And most beginner violinists play with their bow like this. You see that my bow goes at an angle here? What I need to do is to try and push my bow hand forward when I play. So I'm going to go and track, pretend you've got a track right here, and you go and push the bow forward. So that your hand ends up here rather than there. Okay, so I'll show you again. So that's not good. But if I go forwards with my hand, my bow starts to track right here and it stays straight along the bridge, so parallel to the bridge. That is this thing here. So what you do is you push your bow hand that way as you bow. So rather than going this way, you go forward that way. One more time, here we go. See the difference? I nearly go wrong. Oh no, I'm going to push it forward. That is my second way to improve my sound quality. The third way is to think about where I place the bow. If my bow is too close to the bridge, here it sounds awful. Listen to this. Now if I go too far here, my sound is very, very light. The ideal place for beginners is to be about 1 centimetre away from the bridge. So you might have a look occasionally there because it's hard to see from where you hold the violin up. It gives you a nice firm sound and your bow is straight, so you get a really clear sound as well. So now when I add those three things together, listen to this. So if you want to go step by step, start with my full beginner lessons right here. And I very much look forward to seeing you there. Thank you for watching.